Okay, we're at Nuck's garage here. I'm going to use this pipe clamp here as a retracting tool to remove the brake shoes, brake pads, I should say. So we're going to use this to more or less push the calipers in and give you an idea of what's involved with removing the brake pad from a 2007 Toyota Tundra. Now, they recommend doing this one at a time, one pad at a time, the inboard or the outboard at one time. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to remove both and give you an idea just how easy it is to remove these. So probably a little bit easier because I grease these ahead of time. This is kind of just a demonstration to see how they actually are removed. As you can see, they slip right out. Just trying to get a hold of them is the hardest part. Use this pin to kind of help grab a little bit. And there you go, they're out. That's how we do it at Nuck's Garage. Hope you guys learned something today. Like my Tundra.